Hi, I'm Peter, and this is the Sounds Great English podcast, where I answer real questions from real students. I had a student ask me, what does ject mean? Ject? I don't think that's a word. So I had to go check and look it up. Ject is in a lot of other words, as part of another word. So he was thinking about eject, inject, reject, and dejected. When I looked it up, the word ject is not a word in English, J-E-C-T. It's a root from Latin, which means we use this word from Latin as part of our other words. In Latin, it means to throw. So that's not English, but it will help you understand these other words that use it, like reject. Reject in English means to refuse or say no. So this would be like throw away. The food isn't good. I rejected it. It could actually mean three things. I sent it back to the kitchen, like in a restaurant, and I thought the food wasn't very good. I rejected it, as in I just picked it up and threw it in the garbage. Or I rejected it means I ate it, and then I was sick later, and I threw up. We use it for saying no to things. We can also use it for people. He asked her on a date, and she rejected him. She said no to him. So the feeling is she said no in a strong way. Like she threw him away. Like she threw him in the garbage. So reject is quite strong. Inject means to put in. We usually use it for things like a needle, because we say getting a needle is an injection. The medicine or the vaccine is being thrown into your body. Another thing you could inject, when they make donuts with cream, they would inject the cream into the donuts. Eject is the opposite of inject, so it means throw out. But not like reject, throw in the garbage. It just means out of whatever it was in. When a disk comes out of the computer or a video game console, it is being ejected, thrown out of the machine. Hopefully, it's thrown out gently. But with modern technology, we might not be ejecting things for much longer. We don't tend to put disks into machines anymore. We just plug in a USB and copy files and use the computer. That word might not get used as much in the future. The last one, deject, would usually be used like dejected. I'm or he is dejected. It's a feeling. It means very depressed, very down. When she rejected him after he asked her for a date, he was very dejected. I can only guess as the actual meaning, but I'm guessing all your happy feelings have been thrown away. That's why you're dejected. So there are 4 words that use ject: dejected, reject, inject, and eject. But the part of the word ject isn't a word by itself in English. If you have a question, you can email soundsgreatenglish@gmail.com, or you can visit soundsgreatenglish.com, where you can find links to TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube.